Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is a 1. I'm actually now thinking that this is pretty clearly an ABC correction and that this is the end of a B or 2. And that means that we're most likely going down for either a C, which would go down into this area, or possibly a 3, which would go all the way down to around here. So either scenario, I don't really care whether I know whether it's a C or a 3, because either scenario, we are going to be looking primarily for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly, I do believe with this break of structure and this break of structure, I mean, it's pretty clear that we have the end of the correction. Now, at some point, it probably is going to make a bigger move to the upside, like a 1 and a 2, but we don't really even know that that's going to happen as of yet. And I think that the best thing for us as of now, especially because this could just keep on drifting down like this, is we should primarily be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, I think it's very clear that this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is all a big wave 3. I don't even see any proof that the wave 3 is over. Looking at correlated pairs, especially the dollar indexes, I think it probably is going to most likely go up now to make an ABC of 4, and then eventually go down and make a 5. This is probably going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, which is either a 1 of C or possibly a 1 of 3, like I was showing on the weekly time frame. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, I do think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to go up and break structure, which will help prove that this wave 3 really is over. First move up should be a wave A, probably going to eventually make a wave B, and probably eventually go up and make a wave C. Just like I was showing on the daily, this is probably going to be a big wave 4 and eventually go down for a wave 5. So keeping that information in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it looks to me like more likely this is going to go up and do something like this. I bet it's going to be just a wave A. I think eventually it'll make a correction to that wave A, like a wave B, and then eventually go back up and make a wave C. Now, this most likely is a correction, and corrections can be very messy, very overlapping. So, you can't really expect it to make a perfect ABC all the time, even though often it does. But if you do get the end of an ABC with a break of structure for that wave C, that would be a very, very nice sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend, probably the end of a wave 4, and the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.